Good morning, students. Let us see some past paper sums on polynomials. If f of x equal to this has a factor x minus 1 and leaves a remainder of minus 6 when divided by x plus 1, find the values of a and b. So what did he tell? X minus 1 is a factor. So when I divide this, what is my remainder? 0. So I am using remainder theorem now. What is the first step in remainder theorem? Equate it to 0. So what is the x value? I get 1. Place it in this. So it is 1 cube plus a into 1 square plus b into 1 minus 5 equal to remainder. Since it's a factor, my remainder is 0. So what do I get? A minus b. A, how do I get here? A plus b, and here minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4. Send it to the other side, I get plus 4. This is my first equation. And what did he tell furthermore? When I am dividing with x plus 1, what is my remainder? Minus 6. So again I will use the remainder theorem. I will equate this to 0. So what will be the x value that I get now? Minus 1. Replace it in that. So minus 1 whole cube plus a into minus 1 whole square plus b into minus 1 minus 5 equal to remainder. Earlier one was factor, so 0. Now here the remainder is minus 6. It's given. So here it is minus 1 plus a minus b minus 5 equal to minus 6. So I get a minus b equal to 0. Now solve these two equations. A plus b equal to 4. So this gets cancelled. 2a equal to 4, that means a equal to 2. Substitute a equal to 2 in this. So 2 minus b equal to 0. I get b value to also to be 2. So my sum is done. You should understand factor means remainder 0 and remainder is specifically mentioned, so equate it to that particular remainder, that particular number. Look at second sum. F of x equal to this has a factor, this one. He told it's a factor means, so when I divide by this, my remainder is 0. The remainder when f of x is divided by x plus 1 is 7. He mentioned it is 7. I need to find the values of a and b. Again the same thing. This is a factor means when I divide, my remainder should be 0. When I know the remainder is 0, I will use remainder theorem. What is the first step in remainder theorem? Equate this factor to 0. You will get the value for x minus 1 by 2. Place in that dividend. How much you get? A into minus 1 by 2 whole cube plus 7 into minus 1 by 2 whole square plus b into minus 1 by 2 minus 8 equal to 0. So here how much do I get? Minus a by 8 I get, and here 7 by 4 minus b by 2 and minus 8 equal to 0. So let me take the LCM to be 8. So here it is minus a plus, here into 2 I need to do, here into 4 and here into 8. So minus 4b minus 64. When you do into in the denominator, in the numerator also you need to multiply by the same number equal to 0. So the 8 goes that side, it is 0. So it is minus a minus 4b plus 14 minus 64 is minus 50 equal to 0. So my first equation is minus a minus 4b equal to 50 is one equation. Now for the next equation, what is given? For the next equation, he told that x plus 1, when you divide with x plus 1, your remainder is 0. So since I know the remainder, I will use remainder theorem. What is the first step in that? Equate it to 0. X value is minus 1. Place it in the dividend, which is a into minus 1 whole cube plus 7 into minus 1 whole square plus b into minus 1 minus 8 equal to 0 if it is given a factor. But he told the remainder is 7, so equate it to 7. So how much you get? Minus a plus 7 minus b minus 8 equal to 7. So minus a minus b, 7 gets cancelled. Send it to the other side, 8. What is the earlier equation we had? Was minus a minus 4b equal to 50. So to cancel them out, I need to change the sign. So here it is plus, plus, minus. they get cancelled. Here how much will I get? 3b I get. And over here minus 42. That means b is minus 14. So place in any one of the equations. Minus a minus b equal to 8. So minus a plus 14 equal to 8. So my a value is plus 6. We found the values of a and b. Now next thing that we need to find out is factorize f of x completely. As you might have seen in earlier videos. This is a factor, power 1. And what is the degree of it? 3. So how many factors will it have? 3. I have only 1. I should need to find out the other 2. To find out the other 2, I need to divide this with this one. Whenever factorize completely, other than dividing, I don't have any other option. I should divide. So before dividing, I replaced a and b by 6 and minus 4 because if there are letters, division wouldn't have been possible. Now 6x cube, I should get here also 6x cube. 2x should become 6x cube means I need to multiply by 3x square. Now 2x into 3x square is 6x cube. 1 into 3x square is 3x square. Done. Change the signs. They get cancelled. These are like terms. So I get 4x square. Minus 14x down. Now 4x square down also I should get 4x square. 2x by multiplying with what will I get 4x square? I need to multiply by 2x. So I get 4x square. Now 1 into 2x is 2x. Next is change the signs. This gets cancelled. Now minus 14 minus 2 is minus 16x. Bring minus 8 down. So here minus 16x down also should be minus 16x. 2x should be multiplied with what to get minus 16x? It should be multiplied by minus 8. So 2x into minus 8 is minus 16 plus 1 into minus 8 is minus 8. Change the signs, 0 it is. So your dividend equal to divisor is 2x plus 1 into quotient 3x square plus 2x minus 8 plus 0. It's not yet over. He told you to factorize completely. So this also you should factorize and write. So once you factorize this, the value, the brackets that you get are 3x minus 4 and x plus 2. Now the sum is done. You have factorized it completely. Are we clear? Next sum. F of x equal to this has a factor of this. When f of x is divided by x plus 1, remainder is 21. Find the values of a and b. This one is also similar to the earlier sums. So x minus 2 is a factor. That means when I divide this f of x by this one, what is my remainder? 0. Since I know the remainder, I will use the remainder theorem. What is the first step in remainder theorem? Equate it to 0. So what is the value of x that I get? 2. Now replace x by 2. How much do I get? I get 2 cube plus a into 2 square plus b into 2 plus 2 equal to 0. So here it is 4a plus 2b. 2 cube plus 2 will be 10. So plus 10 equal to 0. Right? And next, when I am dividing by x plus 1, what is the remainder? 21. Since I know the remainder, I will use the remainder theorem. What is the first step in the remainder theorem? Equate it to 0. What is the value of x that I get? Minus 1. So replace x by minus 1. So it is minus 1 whole cube plus a into minus 1 whole square plus b into minus 1 plus 2 equal to 21. If it is a factor, you used to equate it to 0. Since remainder is given, equate it to the given remainder. So now it is minus 1 plus a minus b plus 2 equal to 21. So a minus b is plus 1 over here. Send it to the other side. It becomes 20. Well, now I think this step, each number goes in 2. I can cancel out with 2. And here it is 5. So what is the equation? 2a plus b Send 5 to the other side, minus 5. Write it down over here. 2a plus b equal to minus 5. Now directly they get cancelled. 2a plus a is 3 and 20 minus 5 is 15. That means a is 5. Place in any of the equations. A minus b equal to 20. So a is 5. That results in b value to be minus 15. I found the values of a and b. My sum is done. Any sum in polynomials A level will be of this kind only. They will be based on factor theorem and remainder theorem. No other sum possible on the polynomials. Are we clear? Practice all the sums. You should be able to do any sum from polynomials.